This is a hotel room, a really nice hotel room. Here in Nuconic, we're building and delivering these spaces every single day. Let me show you how this works. Once we weld together our unit, we are left with this steel structure to work with. After this frame is up, we apply our proprietary waterproofing, install our thermal insulation, sheetrock, and vapor barrier membranes. This allows us to then enter our full customization process. We're able to make these decisions with incredible speed and efficiency because on site, we have our full interior design team, 40 plus architects and engineers, sales, marketing, quality control, everything. For this one project, Tom Benito, we have 3 villas in the factory floor right now. And here you can see the early installation of our marble floors and tiles, micro cement walls and ceilings, and our 9-foot tall hurricane resistant windows. So if you're looking to build your next hotel with greater speed, quality materials, customization, and control, you can now do so here at Nuconic.